Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of your car's engine sputtering like a teenager learning to drive? Well, I've got the solution for you, and it's called the Ignition Distributor 30100-P1J-E01 from ADMCXFY. This thing is a game changer, and I'm about to tell you why. With its easy setup and quick assembly, you'll be back on the road in no time, feeling the smooth purr of your engine as it distributes ignition signals to each cylinder in an orderly manner. You'll notice the difference as you press the accelerator, feeling the car respond with a surge of power, no longer plagued by unstable ignition and idling vibration. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. It's a top-rated distributor that really delivers. The precise cylinder block mounting allows for direct replacement of faulty parts, making it a breeze to disassemble and assemble without having to mess with the engine bay wiring. And when you're driving, you'll appreciate how it withstands high temperatures and vibrations, ensuring stable internal signal transmission and reducing those annoying misfires and weak acceleration. The ignition timing is balanced for each cylinder, optimizing fuel combustion and mitigating power loss and abnormal exhaust emissions, resulting in a smoother, more efficient ride. I've seen this distributor make a huge difference in older gasoline-powered vehicles, restoring the entire ignition system's performance and giving them a new lease on life. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or just a DIY enthusiast, this product is a must-have, offering a level of performance and reliability that's hard to find elsewhere. So why not give it a try? Your car will thank you, and so will your wallet, as you save money on fuel and repairs. With the Ignition Distributor 30100-P1J-E01, you'll be driving like a pro in no time, feeling confident and in control behind the wheel. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.